Lesson observation for the Deputy Head of Institution can only be done through the Head of Institution's TPAD2 dashboard. You will have to log in as the Head of Institution in order to carry out this exercise. Stay tuned as I show you how to go about it. This is your online tutor, Franklyne Abungana. Welcome. Go to the address bar section at the top. Type TPAD2 and hit the search button or enter key. From the search results below, move to TPAD home link and select to open. You will land to this login page. Click the login button on your right. Select the Head of Institution link from the list. Click to open. You will see the following login dialog. Type your TSC number in the first box. Type your national ID number in the second box. Finally, key in your password. Once you are done, hit the login button. You will land to the Head of Institution's dashboard. Click My Pending Appraisals button. Click the hamburger menu at the top. On the side menu, click Lesson Observation. You will see my Lesson Observations button. Select the Lesson Observations button. Click this button to add a new observation. You can scroll through previous observations and even view by clicking the View button. Let us go back and create a new observation. From the Institution Teachers pop-up, expand the list from here or use this search section. Scroll to identify the Deputy Head of Institution. Click the Add New Record button. Fill in all the required lesson observation details. Click to select the class or grade from the drop-down. Select the subject or learning area from the drop-down. Type in the subject topic or the strand. Type in the lesson subtopic or the substrand. Type in the number of learners expected in class. Adjust the date of observation from calendar pop-up. Use the arrow buttons to move back and forth. You can also adjust the year from this end. Let me select today's date for observation. Click OK button to save the date. Click Add Record to save observation details. Click OK on successful pop-up. After that, scroll down until you spot the just created lesson observation. Click the Observe button to begin lesson observation. You will be taken to the online lesson observation form. This form has 5 observation areas. We have Introduction and Lesson Organization as Level 1. The second level is Content Delivery. Third level, Teaching Methods or Techniques. Fourth, Learner Involvement and Communication. The fifth level, we have Classroom Management. Lastly, Observer Summary Report and Recommendation. Each level has 5 performance indicators. As an observer, you type in the scores and comments. For this level, we have review of the previous lesson. stating the objective of the current lesson. Link the previous lesson to the current lesson. The quality of introduction. Level 2. Content delivery. Summarize the lesson by highlighting key points. Teaching with lesson notes and lesson plan. Mastery of content in line with the syllabus. Sorry, let me do some corrections here. Answering of students' questions accurately. Covering the lesson within stipulated time. Level 3. Teaching methods or techniques. We have the use of appropriate teaching methods. Use of appropriate teaching and learning aids. Use of varied teaching methods. Demonstrate innovation and creativity in teaching. Last in this level is ability to simulate learners. Let me do some adjustments up here. Level 4. Learners' involvement and communication. Did we have answering and asking of questions? Did we have observation during the lesson? Did we have discussion and presentation? Experimentation, demonstration, discussion. Discovery, question and answer. Fieldwork or presentation. Last for this level, discovery or presentation. Let us move to level 5. We have cleanliness of the classroom. Are the desks arranged to enable the teacher reach individual student? Did the teacher move in class to observe students' work? Marking or checking students' work in class. Finally, no chorus answers or knowing learners by name. We move to the last 2 sections of observation. Type the observer's summary report in this section. This is a general report on how the lesson has been conducted. To me, this was a well-conducted lesson. Therefore, lesson's outcome or objectives were realized. The very last section of observation is the observer's recommendation. Type in your recommendation on the just concluded lesson. Check to be sure all areas are done. Click Serve Observation Marks button, then OK. Scroll down to the lesson's observation list. Click to view the just concluded lesson observation. As you can clearly see, all the areas have been duly filled. See you in my next tutorials. Bye bye.